Hello and welcome, and let's have this week's problems. The first couple I've drawn for you already, so I'll go through them. The first one, a packet of oats contains 1.5 kilograms. Every day Maria uses 50 grams. Now straight away I notice we've got kilograms here and grams here. It's often easier to work with whole numbers rather than decimals, so I'm going to turn my 1.5 kilograms into grams. I know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 1.5 is 1,500 grams, which I've put in my diagram here. And I want to know how many times can she take 50 out of that 1,500. So I need to do 1,500 divided by 50. There's a little bit of a cheat, and to make it a little bit easier, as long as you understand it, you can look at it and think, well, 1,500 and 50, they've both got zeros on the end. I can cancel out one of the zeros, so now I'm dividing 150 by 5, which might be a little bit of an easier calculation for you to do. And it should give you the same answer as 1,500 divided by 50, because you've done the same to both numbers. Now we'll move down here. Every shape in this problem stands for a number. We'll work out the value of each shape. Now we need to know where to start. Do we start with this row or do we start with this row? And generally you start wherever you've got the fewest missing pieces. So here, I have no idea what the circles are. I also don't know what the triangles are, but I do know they make 100, so I'm going to have to do lots of guessing to work out the answer here. But if I look here, I've got 3 triangles, and they make 96. So all I need to do is do 96 divided by 3, and that will give me the value of a triangle. I can then put the value of my triangle into these two spaces here. Now I've deliberately put the 2 triangles together, so I can then put my 2 circles together. So once I've put my answer in here, I can then take this number away from 100, and it will tell me the value of 2 circles. Now see, once I've got the value of 2 circles, I then need to divide it by 2 to work out the value of 1 circle. On the next problem, we've got Lara. She's choosing a number less than 20, so I'm going to have Lara's number in my triangle. She divides it by 2, and she gets an answer. She then takes this answer, and she adds 6, and that will give her another number. She takes this other number and divides it by 3, and she gets 4.5. I need to work out what number she started with, so to do that I'm going to have to work backwards through the problem, which is why I've deliberately chosen a different symbol for each answer that she got. So if I do 4.5 times it by 3, that should give me this number here. Then this number here is the same as this number here, so I'll put the value in that circle there. Now to make this number, she added 6, so if I then take this 6 off, that will give me the number to go in the square. The number that goes in this square goes in this square. Now this number was divided by 2 to make this number, so I take the square times it by 2. That should give me the answer she started with, or the number she started with. And I can check it by putting the number in that, dividing it by 2, then adding 6, then dividing by 3, and I should end up with 4.5. Final question's all about rectangles, or is it? Because this rectangle has been divided into 2 right-angled triangles. So although it is a rectangle, the question really is about rectangles and triangles. I've got to work out the sizes of angles A and B. So I need to think about what I know about triangles and right angles. Well, I know a right angle is 90 degrees. I know a triangle has got 180 degrees in its all of its internal angles. So I think, well, can I use that to help me? If I look here, I've got a right angle, so that's 90 degrees. I know one of them is 34, the other one is A. So by taking 34 away from 90, I should be able to work out angle A. And once I've worked out angle A, I can put that answer in there, and that will give me 2 of my 3 angles in my triangle. So I would have angle A, which I'll put in here. I would have 90 from here, and then angle B is going to be that final part. So I'll take angle A and my 90, add them together, and take the total away from 180. That's one way of working out angle B. There are other ways of working out angles A and B, depending on what you do with the angles and which corner you look at first, but that's my method. If you're feeling adventurous, you might come up with your own method as well.